Okay, good morning students. Let us come to the class. Previous class we were in letter writing. We have started our letters. That was official letter and letter to the editor. I have given you the format. Explanation part was I have started the explanation part. Now let us continue with the explanation part once again. एक बार फिर से मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ. दिस पार्ट शुड बी रिमेंबर्ड एंड एक्सप्लेन्ड इन अ वेरी प्रॉपर वे so that you can write your letter in a proper format, right? Now sender's address, as I have cleared you beforehand. पहले ही मैंने आपको बताया कि सेंडर एड्रेस में किसका एड्रेस होगा. मेरा एड्रेस होगा या द पर्सन जिस पर्सन को आप लेटर भेज रहे हैं उसका एड्रेस होगा, राइट? Now remember that sender's address, you are sending the letter to the other person, right? So in sender's address I have told you your own address should be mentioned. आपका खुद का एड्रेस sender's address में mentioned होना चाहिए, right? Then you need to write the letter. Leave one line, write the letter. Leave one line, write the date. Date should be in this format, 31st January 2021. This should be a proper format. Next, inside address. Now inside address, whose address should be mentioned here? To the person to whom you are sending the letter, right? This person's address should be mentioned in inside address. Clear? Point is clear? Here your own address and here to the person to whom you are sending the letter. Clear? Next will be your subject part. For what purpose you are giving the letter. That will be your subject part. Then again leave one line. Here inside address के बाद आप एक line छोड़ो, subject mention करो. उसके बाद again एक line आप दे. Leave one line. Then you need to write respected sir or madam to whom you are sending the letter, whether that person is a sir or whether that person is a ma'am. You need to respect that. Below that, उसके नीचे आपका introduction para, main body of the letter, concluding para, thanking you, yours sincerely and designation. इसके नीचे मैंने यहाँ पे follow up किया है introductory para. Your introduction should be given in your letter. Yeah. Introductory para आपकी starting in जो para है that is known as the introductory para. Introduction para. To whom you are sending the letter and who are you who are you in that official post in that company or in that post to the person you are sending the letter. That will be in your introductory para. Next is your main body of the letter. Main body of the letter में आप सारी चीज़ें आपकी जिस ग्राउंड पे जिस पॉइंट पे आप लेटर फॉर्मेट दे रहे हो, जिस पॉइंट पे आप लेटर सेंड कर रहे हो, that will be in your main body of the letter part. Clear? Then comes your concluding para. You need to conclude your letter. For what purpose you are giving the letter, the main body and your concluding para. Clear? Then is your sincerely here. Basically in official letters we write yours faithfully, right? But अभी आप स्टूडेंट एज में हैं. faithfully तब लिखा जाता है जब you belong to the same age, you belong to the same designation then. But you are in a smaller age, so you should write yours sincerely. Clear? Next below that signature, your name, आपकी signature mention होनी चाहिए. Below that signature you should write your name in capital letters, full name in capital in bracket, right? उसके नीचे आपको mention करना है आपका designation in if needed. Designation. Now what is this designation part? Clear? Designation means your post. आप किस पोस्ट में हैं, that post should be mentioned here. Suppose I am in a lecturer post and my subject is English. So what will be my designation? मैं यहाँ पे अपना नाम मेंशन करूँगी, my name so and so, and I will write my designation as Department of English, Marwari College, Ranchi. Here, this shows that this person belongs to Department of English, and as well as mentioning the college name, that is Marwari College, Ranchi. Clear? So this is your proper format with designation part, and in this way you need to write the letter with designation. Clear? Point clear? Now again I am taking you to the format part. First will be your sender's address. आप देख रहे हो official letters and editor letter. Clear? Both format is in the same way. Almost all the letters format is in the same way, but let us understand this. First will be your sender's address with pin code, then date, then inside address with pin code, then will be your subject. आप लिखने के बाद आप चाहो तो उसे ब्रैकेट में मेंशन कर दो. दिस सब्जेक्ट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन योर लेटर पार्ट, कि आप इस सब्जेक्ट पे किस पॉइंट पे आप इस लेटर को लिख रहे हो. क्लियर? सॉरी. Below that subject, respected sir and respected madam. Then comes your introductory para. Introduction आप देंगे लेटर का. Then comes your main body of the letter or the content of the letter. Then comes your concluding para. You should conclude your letter. Then comes your sincerely or your faithfully. I've told you your faithfully अभी आप नहीं लिख सकते. You should write your sincerely. Then comes your signature. Below that signature, you should mention your name in capital letters, full name in capital, and below that designation should be mentioned if needed. अगर requirement है तो designation आप mention करें. If not, in full name लिख करके भी आप छोड़ सकते हैं. Clear? Designation. What do you mean by designation? Designation is nothing but the post to which you are sitting. जिस पोस्ट को आप हैंडल कर रहे हो, जिस पोस्ट पे आप बैठे हुए, उस पोस्ट का नाम वहाँ पे मेंशन करना है. Supposedly my post is I am in Department of English and my college name is Marwari College, Ranchi. Below my name I should write my designation. So this was the proper format of official letters as well as letter to the editor. Next class we'll continue with the other letter part. Thank you, students.